Cause like who drinks coffee at 4? I think it's 4 o'clock. I think it's 4 o'clock, and we're getting ready to go drop the kids off at grandparents' house for the weekend. We're not even doing anything, but they want to go spend time at their grandparents, so we're gonna go drop them off, and yours truly needs some energy. So got my travel mug to go. Maddie's trying to get into the dog cage. Why? I never stir my coffee. Never do. You ready? Yeah, so my husband said it's cold outside. I don't know how true that is. Destiny said it's hot. I don't know who to believe at this point, so I dressed appropriately. I got hugs on.
Nice.
I get hot if it's too, it's not even, you know, chilly, warm, whatever. I get hot if it's not too cold outside when I wear hugs. So I probably should just wear my sliders to save myself some energy. But ready for grandma?
Yeah. I got my ball.
You got everything?
Ball.
Okay.
In case I get bored.
Oh, this is life right now. Oh, Maddie is walking in her boots. I should show you guys Maddie in her boots and her skinny her skinny jeans. She's so skinny that skinny jeans don't fit her. That's how skinny this child is. Come here. Not even skinny. That's how. Yes, she's walking in boots.
No. Mommy.
Yes, buddy.
It tastes like beer.
It tastes like who?
It tastes like beer.
Beard?
Yeah.
What's that?
No, they're not gonna erase anything.
Let's pretend like we don't know what the child just said. Beard? Okay. Alright, it tastes like beard. He said it tastes like beard. I don't know what that is. So I'm not gonna try to figure out.
Beer.
Beard?
No.
Beer? Are you saying beer as in beer like the
You know those
But if you get it wrong, do you lose points?
glasses?
No.
Glass? Oh, I don't know what you're talking about, buddy. But Maddie, no. They have their deodorant? They have their bags? They ready? Let's go, because I'm getting hot.
Let's go. I'm getting hot.
But my eye is better now. Can you guys see? My eye's better. Came back to normal.
I can't get up. I can't get up.
Ah!
Oh, mommy.
Anyways, I'll see you guys once we get to grandparents' house. Hi, Aaliyah.
Say hi, mama.
Hi, baby. I can't find any her bibs. Looks like we have one.
You just sit over there with mother.
You could go.
He said you could go.
Daddy.
Yeah, look at there.
This reminds me of what is it called? Don Pablo? Yeah, Don Pablo. And it's way better. But what's the name?
This one? Cheetos.
Cheetos. It's called Cheetos. And it's the same.
CHIDOS.
And it's the same location as the Don Pablo that I like to go to. So, yeah. My husband ordered some. What did you order?
No more than $1.
What do you want? You can't have my food. And then we got tortilla over here. What did you get?
Lomo saltado.
Daddy, mommy, is this mine?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Gio.
Last time.
What did you get? Aliyah, what did you get?
Hi guys, so we're playing Roberto. Established that we can't go on tablet or TV or computer. So,
What is it?
remember Chelo?
No, you said today's what?
Today is the Sabbath. Yeah, and it's Sunday.
What happened on the Sabbath?
We don't get to watch TV or go on the tablet or go on the computer because we're celebrating God's birthday.
God's birthday?
No, we're celebrating.
Lord,
Yeah.
you're observing the Sabbath,
That's not yours. That's your bed, does.
which is one of the commandments.
Here, this is your bed.
Marty!
This is your bed. Now, this is my bed. I have a doggy. You don't. Mommy, can I get a veggie stick? Lucky. Marcelo made this bracelet for my doll.
Guys, I found my Christmas blanket. This thing is like so soft,
You're so good.
but
Here,
it
Maddie.
has a little truck.
Here.
Even though it doesn't have, oh yeah,
Teddy, here.
I would like for it to be the truck with the tree on it instead of the
Maddie.
little SUV. But either way, the truck is on here. Look at the truck. Either way, the truck is here. But
Mine is
this is my Christmas blanket, and I already showed you guys the pillows.
They're right here. I don't know when I got this bed, but I know this is Julie's bed. So yeah. And I always put people on the top because it's their bunk. We're playing cat. So should I use Emma as my bunkmate?
I don't know.
Now said to take care of her, but I forgot.
Who's that doll?
Emma. And
Let me see her.
This is Janelle's doll,
Oh,
but she never came back to get her.
okay. Yeah, she does own
This doll.
African American
Cause
dolls.
but I like this skin color.
Mhm.
he be the bunk? No, you have to go find a bed. Maddie likes that bed only because.
But either way, I don't really care what color doll she plays with. I'm not that kind of person.
Maddie,
Doesn't really matter to me.
this might be my bunkmate. Showed it.
Okay.
This is gonna be my bunkmate. This is for her shade.
Anyway, guys. So we just getting home from church.
From the car seat.
Today was Women's Ministry Day. So we had several like little sermons from three women. 3 women were chosen to preach, and then our pastor, you know, get a little break. He actually sat down and.
Hi guys.
Hi.
I'm gonna have my second tooth out.
You got your second tooth coming in?
Yeah.
Where?
And mine not have
Yeah, buddy. So, we're just here now, and we're gonna. Hubby's gonna take. Sorry, Jojo. He's gonna take Destiny. Well, he's gonna take all of us for a walk, but Destiny requested to go for a walk because we only have 3 kids. Next week it's gonna be rotate where we send Jaxson and Destiny to grandparents' house and then spend time with the boys. But we always have Maddie because she's a baby, you know. So we try to spend time with, you know, the kids individually as well as in groups, you know. So
Look, I made a pillow.
this week it's Destiny and Jackson's turn to spend time with us, just to get to know them. You know what I mean? It's much quieter. It's much, you know, you give more attention to, you know, a few versus all at once. So next week the boys get to choose what they want to do and stuff like that. So they went out to dinner. My husband took us out to dinner yesterday, and the food was like so good. You guys, I showed you guys there's a little clip somewhere of the food. Oh my gosh, it was so delicious. Like, oh, heaven!
Look at Maddie, guys.
So, yeah. Anyways, I didn't do a vlog for Friday because, like I told you guys, I'm just going through something right now where it's just like, I don't know. But I'll figure it out, you know. I'm not going. I try to give you guys at least one vlog per week. You know what I mean? For a minute there, I was doing daily, but then I was like, oh, you know, take it back. You know what I mean? Mommy, but I will get better. I will get better.
Mommy, Mary Ellen's gonna be my bottom, but so this is gonna be the bottom, middle, top. Isn't that awesome?
It's very awesome.
So
so next week I get to lead out in praise and worship, and I'm excited.
Stacy said I have to sing.
It gives me an opportunity to work on my relationship, you know, with God during the week, because I am a firm believer that praise and worship doesn't just begin the day of. It begins, you know, tomorrow, Sunday, and it goes all week long. It's just your relationship with God, and, you know, for you to be able to, because you're ministering to people, and it's just, you know what I mean. So yeah.
It's like I make me proud.
Little Maddie over here playing with her sister.
But everything is going to be fine because the teacher over here.
I'll see you guys in a little bit. Good morning, guys. Today, Monday, I forgot to record, and then it's this early, and there's a child by my feet. Like, there's a child at my foot. So I'm going to Hobby Lobby today, but I'm going with a bunch of ladies that I met around here. So we are gonna pile up in her truck and head over to Hobby Lobby. I gotta get some Christmas stuff. I gotta get some Christmas stuff to decorate, because my stuff from last year I got rid of. I donated. So now I have to get more Christmas stuff. The Christmas stuff, not the tree. I have the tree. So I'm gonna do that right now.
You trashed the lights and everything?
No, I didn't trash the lights and everything. Just a few stuff for like the tables and, you know, the shelves and stuff like that. It's not the tree and the fun stuff that you like to put up. Okay? Don't worry. Christmas is still here. But ooh, that's dark. But I'm gonna have to do Destiny hair, and there's something else that I have to do, but I can't remember. You guys can't remind me what I have to do. But I'm gonna do my lunch videos and get these kids out the door.
Remember we had Christmas.
Yeah, we always have Christmas.
I know.
I'm making alpha horse. So I'm following this recipe that I found online. See if it'll turn out a little bit firmer than the last time. So I got the sugar going, I got the egg and the butter creaming right now. I'm about to turn it off. And I got the dry ingredients here. This is just the leftover egg. And then I got the lemon zest going right here. And yeah. So I'm rolling out the dough right now, and this is what it looked like after I cut them out. And watch out, Jackson. That's what they look like baking. So I'll finish these up and I'll show you guys what they look like. Husband came home and brought food. What is it? Oh, I bet you it's tongue. I knew it was taco tongue. This is my favorite. Cow tongue. And then, oh my gosh, this is definitely a cheat meal, huh?